Good afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and I'm back again. This is hive number 222, Mountain. We're going mountain again. Magnolia tree. And we're going to checkerboard them and put this double deep nuke and add another nuke to this. So they're going to go straight up instead of out. The weather here, we've got pretty good weather. Days are warm. Nights get down to 60 sometimes, but that's okay. So we're going to checkerboard these girls and see how they're doing now. They were doing good. I wrote in my notes that I was going to put them in a different box. But we're just going to checkerboard them here. Give them some more room. Let them build some more comb. And see how they like it. And I think I got it where y'all can see all of it. But like I say, this is mountain magnolia tree. Got a lot of bees in there. Like I say, the days are warm. Here's our little feeder tray. Feeder shim. I use these feeder shims for putting my sugar in it in the wintertime too. No bugs. No bugs. No bugs. No bugs, just bee bugs. Put you over there for a minute. Put you over there. And we're going to check, see what we've got up there. Eating their pollen patty here. That's okay, girls. We'll give you some more. No bugs. And what we might do is take this box here and put it over here. That way we know what we got to work with. It's heavy. Okay, what we're going to put the sugar honey frames up here. Honey frames up there. And try to keep the brood down here and on here. The queen will lay up to about 10 inches from the bottom board. Be somewhere around here. And she appears to be a good queen. So we're just going to sit right here where we can get all of them. We have one here that's a honey frame. I just wanted to see if they're going to build it out. There we go. We're just going to see if they'll build it out. So, take a couple of these frames out. We got 4 of them. That one in the middle. Take this one, put right there. And we'll start over here and see what we got. Might need to smoke that down a little bit. There's a lot of bees over here on the edges. I guess it's been about a week since we've been in this one. We don't want to roll any queens. Okay, this one there, we've got some honey on it, got some nectar on it. They're fast tuning it, so we're going to put it up here in the top, right here. So the queen probably won't be going up there and laying unless she's a super duper queen. This one has some brood, some larvae, some honey. Just make sure I don't have a queen on it. There's the queen, right in the middle. Well, she's to y'all's right on the middle, going up toward the top. So we're going to stick her back in the house. Don't want to stress the queens out. This one's heavy. It has some brood, some eggs, some larvae, but most of it's honey. You got that whole side there laid out. So we're going to stick it over here for just a little bit. But half of that frame is laid out and half of it's honey. This one here is laid up with brood. So we're going to stick it back down here. This one here has nectar. That one has nectar on it. Loaded up with nectar. So we're going to set it over here. Right here. That's the top box. This will be our middle box, and this is our bottom box. So we got the queen up here in the top. Let's see what we got down here now. You know where the queen is. This one has brood, larvae, some honey. So that's a good frame. Both sides. Put it right there. This one here has pollen and nectar. Pollen and nectar. So what we're going to do with that is put it on the outside of this top box. Or else I could put it on the outside of this box. We ain't there yet. This one has some brood, some honey, some larvae, right there. So what we're going to do with it is we can put it on the outside of this box. Take the bottom first. Bottom still looks clean. We're going to stick it here. We're seeing how it's got kind of a mixture of different things. We're going to set it to the outside. I just put my finger on a bee and she let me know. I don't know if she stung me or what she did. She let me know she was there. This one here has brood. No, this one here has nectar and pollen. This one here has nectar and pollen. We're going to put it back down on the bottom. And with the nectar and honey stuff, they can move all that if they need the space. But they have to use up the pollen. So we're putting this on the outside, maybe. See what this one is. This one here has brood, so we're going to put it over here. Put it like that. And we're going to take these and it is 9/21. We're going to stick one here. We'll take another one. 9/21 and put it right here. Now they say the people that knows more than I do, they say that if I put another box on top of this, that this outside would need to be empty, and then this one needs to be with brood and stuff, or frame, foundation. This one's empty, this one's foundation, this one is empty. But I don't think we're going to do that at this point. And this one over here, let's see what we got. This one here had brood. And they should be able to do okay because we've got the honey rod, goldenrod, so they should build these out. This one here has brood, and the queen was on this one. So we're going to take this. We're going to take this one out of here. And put this one here, and we're going to put this super frame here in the top, and that's our 5. Okay, so what we're going to do now is give them some food. Put them a little pollen there. Put them a little pollen over here because they got some pollen. We're not going to put them any pollen in the top. We're going to give them a couple of pieces of peppermint. If I feed them peppermint, it disappears. I figure they like it. We're going to take this box with the queen in it. We'll pick it up and put it right here. Now if the plan goes like it's supposed to, they'll build these foundations out. We're going to take this one, it's got mostly the honey in it, and we're going to stick it right here. Yeah, I see that in the front. I'm going to take it off. So they got 15 frames. Queen will lay up about here, 10 inches. Put them some food on there. But y'all need to be picked up again here. There we go. Give them a lot of food. Okay, but that's what we have now. We have 3 deep little ones, nukes. Getting some food. Didn't see any bugs. They're going to need a lot of food to build out foundation. We'll check in about a week, see what we got then. Got back on. Give them their flotation in there. Their pollen patty back up there. That they don't need it, but gotta do something with it. But that's that. And this is hive number 222 at Magnolia Tree. And we'll check it in about a week. See what they're up to. Y'all have a great day. Great rest of the week. Great rest of your life. Y'all give us a comment. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Let me know if you want to see something else. But this is the way I checkerboard these. If I'd had an 8 frame, I'd just got an 8 frame and kind of divided it up. Most people, they want to checkerboard them a little bit different. But it doesn't really matter, I don't think. If they got room, they need room, they'll build it out. If they got stuff to build it out with, they will. But y'all give us a comment. Let me know if you need anything or want to see something. Subscribe and share. Y'all thumbs up. Y'all have a great day.